Why did my as of date change on Irs Transcript? The as of date on your Irs Transcript is a timestamp. It tells you the last day your IRS account information was updated. This date changes whenever the IRS processes new information related to your taxes, such as payments, adjustments, or corrections. So if you see this date shift, it means your tax records have been refreshed with new data. Your as of date changes because the IRS constantly works to keep your tax account accurate. When you file a return, make a payment, or the IRS processes a refund or adjustment, your transcript updates. This update shifts the as of date forward to reflect the most recent activity, giving you current info on your tax status. Sometimes you might see the as of date change even when you haven't taken action. This can happen because the IRS runs system maintenance or corrects errors in their records behind the scenes. These background updates keep the database accurate and can shift your transcript's date without any direct input from you. Knowing why the as of date changes helps you track your IRS account status. If you recently paid a balance or corrected a return, a new date confirms the IRS recorded it. If it changes unexpectedly, it's usually routine maintenance. Use this date to verify your tax info is up to date before making decisions or contacting the IRS. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.